Timberthane touch-up instructions and general installation guidelines. Strap the house as an example in this video. You can strap over existing substrate or over existing siding. Timberthane siding does not require strapping, but your local building code may require strapping or a backing as shown. When mixing touch-up, stir the original colored can well. To ensure all pigment is blended. Pour 12 ounces into the large cup as shown. Then take the activator supplied, pour it into the 3-ounce cup. This will give you a mixture of 4:1. It is important to measure accurately, as under-catalyzed or over-catalyzed product will not perform well. Generally, over-catalyzed product will turn out shiny. After the coating is mixed, stir for at least 1 minute to ensure cross-linking of coatings. After product has been stirred for 1 minute, you may now touch up cut ends of boards. Ensure cut end of the board is coated to ensure a full seal. To maximize protection and longevity of the coating and to ensure warranty. After the end is coated, wipe any excess off the edge of the board. Do not wipe the paint over the board. This will show up as a shiny blotch. This coating is intended not as a paint, but as a touch-up in minor areas or to seal ends. If you do get any touch-up on the face of the board, use some of the supplied reducer and a rag to wipe clean. Your board is ready to be installed. If you do get any coating squished out, again, take the rag with reducer and wipe the face clean. When stapling the siding, be sure to staple the area that has the staple marker line. Gently tap the board down and proceed to staple to the wall. Your siding is now installed, nail-free. This is an example of a brush over that was not wiped. When installing trims, nails are still required. Be sure to use supplied color nails and hammer cap to avoid damage and bruising to the wood and to keep the paint intact on the nail head the nail head becomes exposed, use a Q-tip to touch up the nail. Do not use a brush.
Okay.
So sometimes through the handling process or installation process, you'll end up with some what some people will call scratches, but it's more like just a marring. You might end up with some cosmetic lines like that it may turn white. So don't worry, that's not actually scratched the coating, it's still intact. So you could just take some reducer and actually just clean that off, and you'll see that marring goes away. And that dries very quickly.
Talk it through.
Alright, so we like to use super caulking. It's one of the best in the industry. Nice small bead, angle your tip. Nice steady hand. Get the profile. Don't smear it with your finger.
You're good to go. Last for years.